Hello everyone. My name is Miss Sharon Roshan from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning poem Bedtime. What do we mean by this term? Bedtime मतलब सोने का समय. हम जब सोने को जाते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं ना बेड टाइम हो गया है, right? So let's learn the poem. 5 minutes more प्लीज़. हम कोई भी चीज़ करते या सोने से उठ जब मॉर्निंग में जब अर्ली मॉर्निंग स्कूल्स होता है तो मम्मी हमें उठाती है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, मम्मी प्लीज़ और 5 मिनट्स सोने दो ना, प्लीज़ और 5 मिनट्स, हम कहते हैं ना ऐसे. तो ऐसे ही यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, देयर इज़ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ गर्ल, स्मॉल गर्ल एंड हर मम्मा. The girl is telling 5 minutes more, please. Let me stay 5 minutes more. मुझे और 5 मिनट खेलना है. Can't I just finish the castle? उसे एक castle रेडी करना था, एक महल रेडी करना था. वो बोली Can't I finish the castle? You can see the castle over here. I am building here on the floor. मैं यहाँ पे floors रेडी कर रही हूँ. Can't I just finish the story? यहाँ पे एक बुक दिख रहा है आपको. She is asking, Can't I finish the story? क्या मैं स्टोरी पढ़कर ख़त्म नहीं कर सकती? I am reading here in my book. Can't I just finish this bead chain? You can see the bead chain here. She is saying, क्या मैं वो भी नहीं कर सकती? It is almost is finished. Looked. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो ऑलमोस्ट मम्मी ख़त्म होने आया है, क्या मैं वो भी नहीं कर सकती? Can't I just finish this game, please? पजल जो है उसे वो क्या बोल रही है? गेम. When a game once begun, it's a pity never to find out. Pity मतलब reason for disappointment. It's a reason for disappointment never to find out whether you've lost or won. या फिर हम लोग जीत गए या फिर हार गए. Never be a disappointment. Wherever you lost or won. Can't I just stay 5 minutes? फिर से पूछती है, क्या मैं और 5 मिनट्स नहीं रह सकती? Well, Can't I just stay just 4? फिर बोलती है 5 से वो 4 पे आ जाती है, एटलीस्ट 4. फिर बोलती 3 मिनट्स. फिर बोलती देन 2 मिनट्स. हम ऐसे पूछते हैं ना, मम्मी क्या मैं 5 मिनट खेलूँ, क्या मैं 4 मिनट खेलूँ? भले हमें टाइमिंग समझ में नहीं आता है लेकिन फिर भी हम ये चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं ना, बोलते हैं ना 2 मिनट्स. फिर बोलती Can't I stay 1 minute more? 1 मिनट में तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा. फिर भी वो बोलती है Can't I stay 1 minute more? सो उसकी मम्मी क्या बोलती है, बेड टाइम हो गया है, लेकिन वो छोटी बेबी को क्या करना होता है, खेलना होता है. 5 मिनट्स, 4 मिनट्स, 3 मिनट्स, 2 मिनट्स, देन एट लास्ट शी आस्क्स फॉर 1 minute. Now we'll write the answers for the choose the correct options to complete the following sentences. The child asks for 5 more minutes in the beginning of the poem. Next question is, the child is building a castle. On the floor. The child wants to finish both Next, arrange the following activities the speaker wants to do before going to bed in the order in which they appear in the poem. This you will have to write in your notebook. The correct order will be 2. Finish building the castle on the floor. Next will be fourth one. Finish reading the book. Next, finish the bed chain. And next will be finish the game. So, in notebook you will have to write, I'll give you the answers here. 2. First you will write this line. 2, 4, 1 and 3. So this will be the correct order in which they appear in the poem. Now you have to write the question answers in your notebook. So please remove your notebook and write the first question here. Whom do you think the child is talking to in the poem? So the first question is, the child is talking to an elder, most probably a parent. Write the second question. Why does the child not want to leave the game unfinished? The child does not want to leave the game unfinished because it wants to find out if it has won or lost. चाइल्ड को गेम अधूरा क्यों नहीं छोड़ना होता है? क्योंकि उसे जानना होता है कि क्या वो जीत गई या हार गई. So now they have asked us to read the following words aloud after your teacher. So you have to repeat after me loudly. Okay? So let's start. List 1. Castle. Say castle. Listen. Listen. Christmas. Christmas. List 2. Just. Just. Lost. Mr. You will notice that in list 1, the T is silent. What it is? The T is silent. In the list 2, the T is pronounced. Like for example, the castle. You can see the pronunciation, you can hear the pronunciation. The T is silent in this word. Listen, the T is silent in this word too. But in the list 2, the T is pronounced just. T. The T is pronounced T. Just. Lost. L-O-S-T. Lost. So now here from the list of words given below, separate the words in which T is pronounced from those in which it is not. Then write them in a correct columns below. There have been given some words. We have to write the silent word in this column and the pronounced T in this column. So we'll write whistle. So T is not pronounced as this word. Whistle. Second word, soften. Soften. Whistle. Fasten. So now we'll write those words which have the pronunciation of T. Postman. Master. Cast. Honest. Now there is an activity for you. You have to make a list. What are the things that you need to do before going to bed? Make a list of all the things that you need to do from after eating dinner till going to bed. Put up the list in your bedroom. What is the activity? आपको एक लिस्ट बनाना है जिसमें आपको आफ्टर डिनर के बाद से लेकर सोने तक कौन से एक्टिविटीज़ यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू नोट डाउन इन योर लिस्ट, and that list you have to stick in your bedroom.